Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Matic from your Coinbase wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and locate your Matic balance. Matic, also known as the Polygon token, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Next, switch over to your Arculus wallet. This is a secure hardware wallet, perfect for storing your crypto safely. In the Arculus app, go to the Receive section and generate or copy your wallet address. This is super important. Double-check the address to avoid any mix-ups, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, head back to Coinbase. Select the Send option for your Matic holdings. Paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. For Matic, you'll likely use the Polygon network for efficiency. Review everything carefully before hitting Confirm. After you initiate the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Matic has arrived. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on your wallets and never share your private keys. This keeps your assets safe in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Matic seamlessly. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.